Hi everyone, Pascal here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Save the Chat. If you have ever joined a Zoom networking event or an online session and saved the chat for later, you already know the problem. You end up with a raw text file, and when it's time to follow up, it's hard to quickly find names or context and details that matter. This is exactly why I built Save the Chat, a platform that aims to help you turn messy chat exports into something organizable, searchable, and more useful. You can reconnect and follow up with confidence. Let's see how it works together. So, what you're looking at is a welcome page. This gives you a quick overview of what Save the Chat does. You can go through it, and once you're ready, you can click the Get Started button. Now I'm at the onboarding page. If you're new here, you can click Create an account, but if you already have an account, you can click Sign Up. I'm going to go with you through the creating account process, but because I have an account existing, I'll sign up. But for now, let's just click the Get Started to see where it takes us. Once you click on this, all you need to do is just provide your email, create a password, and then you should be sent an email verification link. So be sure to check your inbox, and if you don't find it there, also check your trash or spam in case it might have gone there, or your junk folders. But because I already have an account, I'm going to sign in, and then I'll see you on the next steps. Now I'll upload a chat export file. At the moment, Save the Chat only supports TXT files, so the file you upload needs to be a TXT format. This is usually the file you save after a Zoom networking or virtual meeting. So I'll upload the file now, and once it's uploaded, the Save the Chat process starts, and then we'll see how the context will be organized for us without us needing to do much. So uploading a chat is quite simple. All you need to do is drag and drop, or you can use the upload button, which is currently processing the chat that I just dropped inside. Once it's done, it takes you to the chat page itself where you can review the chat and make any changes you feel might be needed by clicking the edit button, where you can update the date if it wasn't accurate, make some tweaks to the overview, or if you have additional information for contact, you can also edit yourself. For now, I'm going to update the title to PYB, Promote Your Business, and save it, confirm. And if you go home, you should see it labeled new. Whenever a chat is successfully processed, you can see the organized results in your chat section, where you can view a list of all the chats that you attended and how they were saved. If you wish to see more information on the chat, you can click on, and then it should show you the participants' information, when it was hosted, and you can reach out to them there, or you can make changes. So instead of having a long wall of text like the one you can see on my right, Save the Chat makes it easy for you to see information and be able to act on it in real time. This helps you spot useful context, remember what was discussed in a call, follow up with more confidence, and if you attend networking events regularly, it saves you a lot of time. Save the Chat is an idea that's born from a personal frustration of having to join valuable online events and saving the chat, and then struggling to use it effectively to follow up with connects that I have met online. So I built Save the Chat to make that process easier. Not for me, but for everyone who wants to turn online conversations into real opportunities and leads. If this sounds useful to you, try Save the Chat yourself. Take one of your saved chat exports, upload it, and see how it works. If you like the idea or have feedback, I'd love to hear from you. Don't just save the chat, save the chance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.